Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure the hardware and OS are ready. First, confirm your Lenovo model and Windows version so you know which keys or drivers apply. Then enable any physical wireless switch or use the Lenovo FN key plus the Bluetooth function key. This restores the radio. Once done, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and toggle Bluetooth on. This activates the adapter and allows Windows to scan for devices. Doing these steps first prevents driver conflicts later. Now you'll pair the accessory. Put your headphones, mouse, or phone into pairing mode. LED blink patterns indicate it. Consult the device manual if unclear, because only discoverable devices show up. In Windows Settings Bluetooth, select Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and pick the device name that appears. Make sure you confirm any numeric PIN shown on the laptop or accept the pairing prompt on both ends. Once paired, Windows creates a trusted link, so future reconnections are automatic and faster. Finish by confirming the device works and adjusting settings. For audio, set the headset as default in sound settings. For input devices, verify they appear under Devices. If connection fails or performance is poor, update the Bluetooth driver in Device Manager and reboot. Make sure the Bluetooth support service is running, open Services, find Bluetooth support service, and restart it if required. If problems persist, disable power saving for the adapter in Device Manager, so Windows won't turn it off during sleep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.